Shubor na Khlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Wat la Keseng United Democratic Party keladap ban Pynbna ya ki Kyrteng Jong ki laipu arngut ki Kyrtong Jong Keseng ki banya aireng hagi election MLA house nem arajar arpulai Henry la yo ipat bahakate ka Thup ka Kyrteng Jong unong elam bala rim Keseng uba Bindo lanong kamshim la pau satya wat la nakaliang Jong uladep ban penkre bha ya ki election but uladon ru ka jingtmu banya aireng na nongkrem constituency Hagabay day bat kani ka binta nakaliang Jong ba met ba lingdo ubaday ru President Jong Keseng United Democratic Party ulaong baka jingmi ki khubor ba uba Bindo ula ban mi no na Keseng UDP bat thau da ka way pat Keseng kaday ka basumi ha ki khubor Henry nakaliang uba Bindo umpat krensyai ay halor kata bat nakaliang Jong ba met ba ula kentaj ru ban kren ay halor uba Bindo Henry ulaong ba uba Bindo ujudan bentalang bat Keseng ha kabayade bat ka jingshim rai Jong Keseng ha kabayade bat kino kikam uba met ba ulaong ba ka jingla ban Pynbna ya ka Kyrteng Jong ki laipu arngut ki Kyrtong Keseng menta kasngi ka pen isai bakam don satya kano ka jingya pat ya pra hapo Keseng bat kum Keseng ki don ka jingya teli wat la ki jumi ki jingbam ya sngoto jingmut hang tai Henry hakabakod Keseng ka poi bai syaka jingya keren ya suk
one seat only. Sir, why contesting from 2 seats? Now we have a candidate in the other seats also. Some people are talking about.
Do you think developing a veteran UDP leader like Bindo will affect the whole prospect of the?
We are not neglecting anyone. We are not neglecting anyone. We will have full respect for everyone. So, but at the end of the day, everybody has to work for the party.
We have seen Bindo recently. He had stated that he may float a new party. So will this not affect the UDP prospect?
I have not met him, and he has not said to me what is written in the paper on me. I will not come to any conclusion as far as that version is concerned. I have no comment as far as that.
So will he be given?
Unless I meet him, he tells me that he will do that. Then
so if UDP voted to power, will you ensure that the inquiries are done in all these irregularities?
See, what is written in the paper exactly, I don't know what is the truth behind it. Okay? I mean, as I always say, I will never come to any conclusion by just reading a newspaper today. I'm not saying anything about, that's a job of the media that you have to do it whenever you get any kind of news or something like that. But for me, I feel that it will be right and appropriate for me to find out the truth and then see what steps that we will take.
But do you think that inquiry is required for all such allegation of irregularities and scam?
See, time and again we have been for that always. Whenever there's some doubts which we felt that yes, from the party side we see that there's something wrong somewhere, someplace, we inquire. When we felt that this is a genuine kind of allegations, then it has to go into this kind of inquiries. See at all. We are working as a party, as a team. We've been able to declare the names of 32 names candidates officially today. This speaks that the party is united as one. We may have differences, whatever it is, but we sort it out within the party. That is the internal matter of the party. Whenever anybody have the freedom to express anything within the party. Iba kandong ka jingel le hapo ka party. Namar ba kanimin ta kasi karayo biang ako man pimpawon ni bakalong deling ba ka jingitray lang Jong kinong yalam maglidar Jong ka party UDP. Lalakam don ka jingitray lang Jong kinong yalam maglidar Jong UDP. Ngino pala abad Pynbna ya ka live ko armut ki candidate ha ka ka fast kam na hoy laban na hanya yang tay kita baru buat ni jual keren hapo aja ka party paling persang ya ka ban Pynbna ya kita nganom da nani ka comment nang kabade ba Bindo nde ki meeting ki baladep ki babon ki meeting iju don reka ha ka bagi discuss ni keren ni ki candidate ko paper na ki consultancy ki paper iju don rekat ba iju menjor